Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Do you know you can get packet hairs from China? Something like this. Something like this. Yes, of course you can, and it's super lucrative. Yes, I know how much it sells here in my country. You can get it, so that's why in this video I will be giving you contacts that sells this. That sells packet hairs. Yes, these packet hairs, they are screaming luxury. I will give you contact. I'll be giving you contact, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, and let's go straight. Welcome and welcome back. I'm Jenny CEO. Here in this channel, we talk about how to make legit money online, importation, business growth, Facebook ads, everything business. All right, so let's go straight. Yes, you can get this packet hair from China. You can get it, so don't worry. I'm not telling you sending you to 1688. I'm sending you to correct factory that will give you original. All right, so once I drop the contact, what do? There are some, we're dropping like 4, so make sure you also watch the screen to be able to view the contact. So what you do is to chat them up. Some are on WeChat, some are on WhatsApp. Chat them up. Hello friend, I need just talk something business, because if you chat them on WeChat, what you say will make them, save your contact. What to say will make them approve your request. Hello friend, I would love to view your moment so I can purchase mine. All right, I got a contact from a friend or from your company, anyone you want to do, then they will accept your request. Once they accept your request, the next thing, you start viewing their moments. That moment will let you know the kind of designs they have, the one you love and all that. Then once you get the ones you love, then if you're on WhatsApp, you chat them up, add them and chat them up. So ask them for catalog if it's on WhatsApp, but if it's on WeChat, just continue viewing their moments. You'll be seeing different designs. Yeah, so you'll be seeing different designs. Now once you see the different designs, the next thing to do is chat them up. Then they tell you the prices. You select the ones you want, select the quantity. If you're still scared, I would advise you to just buy 1 or 2, because this one is just 2. I would advise you to buy 1 or 2. And the beautiful is that you can ship this using air shipping, because yes, it's it's not heavy, so you can ship using air shipping. So if you don't even have contact, you can ship using air. I have a good shipping company the shipping fee is super affordable. Yes, you can one air. If I tell you how much, you'll be shocked. So super affordable. So if you want that contact, write it on the comment section. Jenny, drop the contact, and I will do well to drop all right in my subsequent video. So you just chat them up, and the next thing, you make payments using Alipay. If you don't have an exchanger, watch my video, chat them up. They can also pay for you. Then you get it simple as APC. Then send your shipping company address. You also have shipping company address, go to my other videos, you'll see them. Chat them up. That's all. Then they package your hair, show you your picture, how it is. To give them the number they will write, give them the name, ask them to write your name and phone number on your package, so that to avoid missing items. That is all. They ship to your shipping company, and if it's air shipping you use, in 5 to 7 days you will get a pickup message. And if you see shipping in 2 to 3 months, you get a pickup message and you can sell. This is the best time to buy and resell, because everybody would love to look good this season. So I don't want this video to be too long. Do well to hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? This channel is loaded. You will learn a lot. Yes. Okay, let me just stop here. If you have any question, do it to hit the comment section. Ask me your question. I'll be there to answer everyone's question. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.